If you're a science enthusiast, then you need to know why yawning is so contagious. Yawning isn't just about being tired or bored. Scientists believe it's our brain's way of cooling down. When we're sleepy or stressed, our brain heats up. Yawning increases blood flow and brings in cool air, helping to chill things out. But wait, there's more. Yawning can also be contagious. It's a social bonding tool, like a secret handshake for our brains. So next time you yawn, remember you're just cooling your brain and connecting with others. Pretty cool, right? Follow for more brain snacks.